The first thing we're going to do is head over to Google Translate. If you translate this word into French, you'll get $11, and if you translate another line, you can earn up to $50. If you want to, you can do this all day long and use Google Translate to make over $174 a day. The general public can use Google Translate for free, and we'll be using it to generate income online today. Using Google Translate is actually quite easy. First, select the language you want to translate the word into, and then select the target language. For instance, if you want to translate this word from English to Japanese, it's really simple to use. As soon as you write anything, the word will be translated into Japanese. I'll now demonstrate how to use this free program to translate words and earn $1 every minute. The second step is to visit CPAGP.com. Since CPA Grip is among the greatest CPA networks available, I'd like you to click the register and make an account link on this page. However, bear in mind that you'll need a Skype ID, which you can get for free on the Skype official website, and make sure you read these 2 terms and conditions. I agree not to use a proxy VPN or bot software to complete the offers, and I agree not to complete the leads myself. After you log, your dashboard will look something like this, with users from all over the world sharing their earnings from CPA Grip, letting you know that the site is accessible globally and that you can make money on it from. You can choose My Offers from there. As you can see, the website will automatically detect your current location and show you the offers that are available for your country. However, for our future videos, please comment below with the name of your country. At the end of this video, I will show you how to set up all these systems together so that you can earn $174 a day in complete passive income. So stay tuned until the very end. They have the highest $23 payout, which is a lot. The lowest amount per lead you can earn in the United States is 34 cents, and the highest amount is $2. If you have a high volume of traffic, you can make a lot of money doing this. More expensive than the $2 that we just saw for the offers from the United States. The reason for this is that not many people are using these nations to generate income, so they're willing to pay more to encourage people to start using their website in these nations. Now, let's try a different nation like Spain. The highest paid offer in Spain is currently $19 at the time I am making this video. All you have to do is review the offers in all these nations, including Australia and Switzerland. Look for the highest paid offers in Brazil, Mexico, and other countries. However, for the sake of this video, the reason we are using France is that it has the highest paying offers, and the website we're going to promote these offers on receives over 53% of its traffic directly from France. Additionally, the website has over 1.3 million monthly visitors, and over 400,000 new users join it every month. Since these people speak French, we will use our free Google tool to promote French offers on this website. The third step is that we need an affiliate link for the offers of France. So let's select the France and the countries and click where to get our link to promote. It reads, pay out in order to find the most paying offers available for France. As a result, the highest paying offers for France are displayed on your screen, and as you can see, they are all in French. You can select the offer you want to promote to make a good amount of money with it, but I would advise you to choose this $10 offer instead, because it is available for both iOS and Android devices, as well as desktop and laptop computers. The majority of users of the website we will be using are using all 3 of them, as you can see on the screen right now, so don't leave any cash on the table. I recommend that you accept this offer. Now that we have opened the offer, let's see what it's all about. Since the majority of us are not French, let's use Google Translate to translate it into French. Simply copy the offer's headline, go to Google Translate, choose French from the list of available languages, and paste it into the box. Google will translate it into French right away. The offer is in English, with the headline, Receive your 500 gift card. Copy the offer's subheading and paste it into the French box. The subheading reads, Check with your pile, which I assume means sign in with your pile. If you promote this offer, we will be paid $10.27 for each person who signs up for it through our affiliate link. However, before you do any promotion, please choose the tracking domain from this list. The fourth step is to visit this website, which will pay you this amount of money. You don't even need to generate leads for CPA offers or sell anything. Instead, you will get paid here whenever someone clicks on your link. The website is shortyearn.com, and you can see that for 1,000 views, you will get money. For example, for Greenland views, you will get $50. Make sure you select the new tracking domain because the old ones get banned easily. So, simply go to shortyearn.com and click on Sign Up for an account. This will take you to a page where you can create a new account. After you log into your account, your dashboard will look like this. I want you to click the New Shorten Link button, which will show you a box where you can paste your CPA affiliate link. You can then shorten it by clicking the Shorten button here. Let's copy our CPA affiliate link. Affiliate link from CPAGgrip.com. Return to Shorty Earn, paste our link in this bar over here, and press Shorten. It will load and give you a unique link that you can use to promote your CPA offer. Now, whenever someone visits the offer using this link, you'll be paid a certain amount, and if they sign up for the offer for free, you'll be paid an additional $10.27. You can copy your shortened link from this icon over here, and your shortened URL will be copied. However, don't begin promoting. We currently need to make some additional adjustments to it. Therefore, the fifth step is to visit sites, google.com. Now, if you watch this channel often, you probably already know that Google offers a free service that lets you build a website for nothing at all. To begin, remove the header and choose the text option on the right. Next, I want you to copy the headline of your CPA offer from CPAGgrip.com and paste it here. This text field next, I would like you to return to the CPA Grip offer. Please adjust the text size, color, and boldness to make it appear more appealing. Now, right-click on the image that is displayed in the offer and select Open a new tab. A new tab will open with the image in it. To save the image to your device, right-click once more and select Save Image As. Finally, return to Google Sites. The image we just obtained from CPAGgrip.com can be uploaded by selecting the image option and clicking Upload. After centering the image on your web page, navigate to try Google Translate once more and enter something similar. The French version of this text can be obtained by clicking here to receive 500 euros. Simply copy it and return to Google Sites. I want you to go back to Shorty Earn, copy your shortened link from there, paste it into this button link box right here, click Insert, and then I want you to hover your mouse over the right-hand side, scroll down a little, and click where it says Button, paste a text in this button name that you copied from Google Translate. Button will be added to your Google site. All you need to do is adjust the button above the image you uploaded and copy it right here. Then, drag the second button to the bottom of the image. Your Google website is now complete and ready for publication. Click the Publish button in the upper right corner and name your website. It can be anything you want. It just needs to be unique, like what you see on the screen right now. After that, click Publish, and your Google site will be published. Simply copy the URL from this icon to copy the link to your website. Simply click this. The sixth step is to visit Pearltree.com. More than 1.3 million people visit Pearltree, a social media website similar to Twitter and Threads, each month. To access Pearltree, you must first register and log into your account. Then, click the plus sign located above and choose the web page option. To add your website page to Pearltree, copy the URL of your Google website into this box and click Add. As you can see, your website has been successfully added. The website, and now that people are aware that they will receive $500 for free, they will visit it. Once they sign up for the offer, you will receive $11 APO for each person who does so. This includes payment from both CPA Grip and ShortyEarn.com. In a similar manner, you can use Google Translate to make up to $174 per day.